The number 4 is what percent of 64? Okay, so remember, anytime we see is, this is equal sign. Anytime you have of, this is multiplication. What percent is n? And I have simply 64 and I have 4. So this is my equation. 4 is equal n times 64. Okay, let me write this equation one more time. So I have 4 is equal n times 64. I'm looking for n. In order to eliminate 64 from n, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is next to n, by 64. Remember, I can do this only for multiplication. So I have 64. 64 and 64 will cancel out. Now, my problem is going to look like this. N equals 4 over 64. Now, before we are going to go further, check if we can reduce the fraction. 4 and 64 are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 64 divided by 4 is 16. Okay? Now we got fraction. Next, you have to get back to the problem and check what problem is asking for. What percent means we have to convert this fraction to percent. Anytime you want to convert fraction to percent, you have to multiply that fraction by 100% over 1. Now, please notice that in the denominator of the very first fraction, we have number which is divisible by 4, and 100 is also divisible by 4. So I can reduce these two fractions. So I'm going to have 1 over 4 times 25 over 1. This is percent. Now I can perform the multiplication. Numerator has to be multiplied by numerator and denominator by the denominator. That's why my n is going to be equal to 25% over 4. Now this is improper fraction. We prefer to convert improper fraction to the mixed numbers. Simply you have to divide 25% by 4. 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract 25 minus 24 is 1. So answer is 6 and 1/4%. That's why my answer is 6 and 1/4%.